Hello, this is Teacher Anna. Welcome back to my Chinese writing class, and today we're going to learn from this chapter, chapter 6. And here we can see inside the book, we will have pictures show you how to write the characters. So we will learn first one, 田. 田 means field, so it's a 口 divided into 4 parts like different piece of field. And second one, 甲. 甲 means the very hard shells, or you can see it looks like a board, like a person holding a board, but now it means the first class or very hard shell. For example, our fingernail, that's 指甲. So this is 甲. And next one, we have this one, 穷. So it's a person in a mouth. So this mouth become a room, a person in a room, 穷, in a prison. So it's a prison. And next one, 困. 困. This is 木 in a mouth, means sleepy. So maybe because the tree cannot grow in a room, so it's sleepy. So 困, tired, sleepy. And this one, 回, 2 mouths, a small mouth in a big mouth. 回 means come back. 回. And next one, 品. 品. So 3 mouths together means to taste something. So you have a lot of mouths to taste something. 品. 品. So now let's start writing. So the first one is 田. 田. 田 田 field. Second one, 甲 甲 shell. And next one, 穷 a person in a room. 穷 prison. 穷 and 困 a tree in a mouth or in a room. 困 means sleepy, tired. 困. And next one, 回 2 mouths, 1 inside, 1 big outside. 回 means come back. Last one, 品 means to taste. 品 Okay, so first one, 田 田 甲 甲 求 求 困 困 回 回 品 品 Okay, bye bye. See you next time.